Review what we've learned. Understanding of cryptocurrency basics. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, it's important to have a basic understanding of what it is, how it works, and its potential risks and benefits. Research the different cryptocurrencies. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies available, and it's important to research and understand the different options before investing. Choose a reputable exchange. Cryptocurrency exchanges are platforms where you can buy, sell, and store your digital assets. In the Resources tab, you'll find a list of exchanges ranked by reputation. Secure your hardware wallet. A wallet is where you store your cryptocurrency. It's important to choose a secure wallet and take steps to keep your assets safe, such as using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key when investing in cryptocurrency. Consider spreading your investment across multiple assets to reduce the impact of potential losses. Keep up with industry news and events. Cryptocurrency is a highly dynamic and fast-paced industry. Keep up with the latest news and events in the space to stay informed about potential opportunities and risks. Manage your risk tolerance. Investing in cryptocurrency can be risky. It's important to understand your own risk tolerance and only invest an amount that you're comfortable losing. Manage your risk tolerance. Investing in cryptocurrency can be risky. It's important to understand your own risk tolerance and only invest an amount that you're comfortable losing. Avoid FOMO, fear of missing out. The cryptocurrency market is known for its high volatility. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency investment is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and there are no guarantees of returns. Seek professional advice. Consider seeking the advice of a financial advisor or professional to help you make informed investment decisions. In the next lesson, we'll do an overview of a very related technology push into what is called Web3. Most of the currencies will be an integral part of Web3. In the near future, we will offer a more in-depth study of the future of the Internet Web3.